Well, hello everyone, Dan Hurd here. I have spent probably 200 hours in the last month and a half cutting stone for the big BC Rock and Gem Show. The Rock and Gem Show is a week away, and boy do I have amazing material for the show. This year, I'm not only bringing my ocean picture stone, I have a lot of ocean picture stone, but this year I'm bringing all sorts of British Columbia gemstones. We have our rhodonite, definite beautiful stuff. We have lots of this new gemstone we call pinolite. Some of the best pieces I have cut are coming with me to the show. Also, Vancouver Island Dallasite. Got lots of Vancouver Island Dallasite. Fraser River Jade and Serpentine. And Flower Stone as well. This year, it's not just ocean picture stone. I'm going to have a variety of gemstones from all over British Columbia. Rough, slabs, specimens, finished items. We have it all. The BC Rock and Gem Show is in Chilliwack, British Columbia. It is on May 10th, 11th, and 12th at Heritage Park. If you're in British Columbia, in the Lower Mainland, I would love to see you there. And of course, as always, if you can't make it to the show, we do sell all of this material online on my website, www.danhurdprospecting.com. Hope you're having a great day, and I hope to see you at the show. Until the next one, bye.